So welcome back to another one of my videos, and today I'm unboxing a package from Slime Bakeria, and I just loved the look of her slimes. They just looked incredible. So one thing I really liked was her logo. Her use of graphics is absolutely brilliant. It's just so good. I love it. So immediately I see that she's put together this really nice instruction sheet and information on how to look after your slimes, and it's really nicely put together. I love the fonts and the colours, and everything about this is just so well put together. So first in the pack we have this slime. There's her lovely sticker, I just love it. And this is a free slime, a random one, so that's really nice, thank you. Next up we have, I think this one's called Banango, and look at that, the layers. Yes, Banango, and it's cake jar one. So it's a lovely container, I'm really happy with that one. This one is Cloud Slime, I do believe. Really nice sticker again, slightly larger. And this is Pink Lemonade. So I love the colours of that one. Also we have Borax Slime Activator, similar bottle to the one I do, and Slime Reviver, that's interesting. Also we've got some little sweets, so really nicely packaged, and of course comes with these starchy peanuts which are biodegradable. So first up we have Pink Lemonade, and I'm excited about this one. This is really well sealed in very professional sealed top, and just look at that really pretty glitter on top. And this is obviously a cloud slime. Really nice texture and not sticky at all. So this smells absolutely amazing. It smells of pink lemonade, so fresh and zesty. And look at those colours, it's really nice. This is such a good slime. And look at the stretchiness and the cloud drizzle. This is a really good quality slime. Very, very happy with this. Look at that. Nice and fluffy, nice and stretchy, very soft. Oh, the smell is just so good, I just can't tell you. So it's spreadable as well, and the colours go so well together. Very nicely done, this. So as ever with slimes like this, I'm so loath to mix all those beautiful colours together. But to be honest, the colour it's making anyway looks really vibrant, really pretty orange. And it's just such a lovely quality that it's going to be great anyway once it's mixed up. So next up we have Banango, and that's such a cool name for a slime. I love it. I love the colours. It just looks so warm and inviting, like a Jamaican sunset or something. So it's topped with this clay, which is really interesting, and all those different layers. It smells, I can't really smell banana, but I can smell cake at the moment. So let's see what all the different layers have. So I can tell already that this cloud slime is a lot stiffer than the pink lemonade one, and I can definitely smell banana. Oh yeah, that's so good. Really good smell. and it's sort of mixed with this cake topping layer. Cake smell is in the top and the banana is in the bottom, and it's slightly stiff, but look at that. It's got really good drizzle. It's a really good cloud slime, and I'm thinking this is probably where that little tube of slime reviver comes in handy, and I'm guessing it's going to be hand lotion. And to be honest, I've often thought of trying to find ways to include hand lotion in packages to revive clay-based slimes. Not cloud slimes, I tend not to do many cloud slimes myself, but look at these colours, they're just so good, and the drizzle and the cloud, the snow in it is really good. It still feels a bit dry and a bit stiff compared to the first slime, so I'm definitely going to try this slime reviver. That is, if I can just put this slime down for a minute. I just can't stop playing with it, it's lovely. So here's the mystery slime reviver. I'm pretty sure this is hand lotion. It doesn't really have a scent, but it has the texture. I'm pretty sure it's hand lotion, and this is such a good idea. I don't know how she's packaged this. It's really cute and so well thought out. A really good thought ahead of time for helping customers to revive their cloud or clay based slimes, which often get stiff very easily. So it's taking effect already, I can feel the difference, so it's such a good idea to include. So finally, I'd say I'd give the Banango 9 out of 10 because it was stiff, but it came with that slime reviver. The pink lemonade, definitely a 10 out of 10. It was outstanding. I just loved it. And finally, what I would say to Slime Bakeria is your slime sticker designs are so good. I would totally recommend getting them printed on glossy stickers and using those in future, just to give it a really professional finish. But I love your designs and I loved your slimes. I just thought they were so well put together and I loved it. Thank you. So that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to check out my shop, slimescrewball.etsy.com. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next one. Bye!